Hi students, I wish you a very good morning. And myself, Vinayak, Assistant Science Teacher from LBS School. Students, today you are so eager, so excited to watch this video. Yes, because today I am going to show to you about the science activity. Yes, so what you are expecting? Yes, right. Today I am going to show about this science activity, that is acid, base and salt. Students, you have heard these words? Yes, you have studied, I mean, 7th class also. What is that salt? What is that acid? What is that base? Yes, but students, thoroughly today I am going to detect you about that different type of substance, what it belongs to that. Almost all chemical substances are classified into 3 groups. Yes, whatever that chemical substance are there, friends, generally almost all substances, all chemical substances, this is broadly classified into 3 groups. Okay, what is that? One is acid, one is base, another one is salt. Okay, so let us discuss about that according to their categories. Okay, according to their tastes, according to their, by using the indicator, how we should find out that which substances or chemical substances are acid, which substances are bases, and which substances are salt or neutral substances. Today we will go for a detect. Okay, so before that I will show that activities and what are that experiment method and what is that theory. Then after I will show that practically and how, which one, what are that. Okay, so see the students, here one chart is already I have done that. Here it is detective mode. Detective mode means क्या है? Students, you look at here, students, you very carefully observe here. Here I have written detective mode. Detective mode मतलब we have to find out the acid, base and salt. मतलब I will show to some food items and you have to find out that which one is salt, which one is base and which one is acid. ठीक है? Then after we have to, by using the test, we have to understand what is that acid, base and salt. ठीक है students? Let me explain first of all how we will find out what is that acid. So remember the students, if by the testing, by the test you can find out to whether it is belongs to acid or not, that substance or belongs to acid or not. ठीक, क्या कैसे? देखो बच्चे, पहले तुमको पता है क्या ऑरेंज? यस, कैसे टेस्ट है वो? या सोर टेस्ट, राइट? एंड लेमन? Yes, that is also sour taste. So these like substances like orange, amla or lemon, this is a sour taste. So these are belongs to acid. Okay, acidic substances. That means जो substance taste sour होगा उसको हमें क्या बोल सकते? We can say these are acidic substances. ठीक है? फिर base कैसे निकालेंगे? कौन सा substance base बोलकर कैसे सोचेंगे? जो substances, which substances are taste are feeling, what is that? Bitter taste. Yes, right. Yes, you are right. Bitter taste. जब कौन सा भी substance, जो substance के हमें, if you will taste that and you will feel that bitter taste, that is generally what is that? Base. What are that? If you observe that soap, okay, sodium hydroxide, that is the chemical name soap, okay, and also milk of magnesia. Okay, these are the examples of क्या है? Base. ठीक. Next students, you know that calcium carbonate. सुनो? Yes, the chalk piece, that is also generally salt, but it is made by क्या है? Carbonate, but it is belongs to salt. I will show that in the later. Next students, salt कैसे हम करेंगे? You are generally in your daily life, you know that it is one of the ingredient of that kitchen room for the food items. Yes, when your mother they are cooking, at that time compulsory every food items like curry or dish like we are adding that as a food ingredients. Yes, salt is one of the very important food ingredients. Yes, Without salt, we won't feel any taste, that good taste. So that is also usually that is a salty taste. If the substances will feel that salty taste, that is the what is that? Salt, or naturally we can say that that is neutral substances. Okay, according to your books, your higher class, whenever you will go 10th class, you will say that about that specially this is the salt. But now in your books, it has given maybe what is that? 7th class, I mean it has given also what is that? Neutral substances. Okay. So let us see now what are the characteristics and how the properties by the testing of the litmus paper. Now by the test. By the checking of by the test, we found that if acid, it is sour taste. If it is base, then compulsory it is bitter taste. And the neutral, that is or salt, that is the usually salty taste. ठीक. But all substances बच्चे हमें टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि जो एसिड ये रहता है वो बहुत पेनफुल रहता है, वो वेरी डेंजरस. सो जो कंसेंट्रेट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड वो भी बहुत डेंजरस है, उसको ऐसा डाल सकते नहीं, एसिड को हम डायरेक्ट टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते. तो इसीलिए हम क्या कैसे हम टेस्ट करेंगे, ये जो सॉल्यूशन है एसिड और बेस और सॉल्ट विदाउट टेस्टिंग, मतलब बाय टेस्ट, विदाउट एनी टेस्ट. नाउ विल यूजिंग बाय इंडिकेटर, by the indicator we can find out whether it is acid or base or salt. ठीक है students, already I have told there are the two types of indicators. Okay, to detect that it is acid or base or salt, we have to find out that. For that there are the two types of indicators. ठीक है, one is natural indicator, second one is what is that? Artificial indicators. Natural indicator मतलब हम जो नेचुरल से निकलते हैं, दैट इज स्पेशली चाइना रोज पेटल्स. यू हैव सीन दैट चाइना रोज, their petals you can use for that detector like indicator. And you know that very fond of that is turmeric. Turmeric also one of the best indicator, also we can use naturally. Okay? And it is getting from the nature. Very special commonly used nowadays, that is called as litmus paper, which one we are getting obtaining from the light chain plant. ठीक है, ये जो litmus paper, there are the two types of litmus paper. One is red litmus paper, दूसरा क्या है ब्लू litmus paper. ठीक है, हमें ये जो तीन मतलब एक रेड litmus paper, second one is turmeric, third one is चाइना रोज पेटल्स, ये जो तीन है इसको बोलते हैं नेचुरल इंडिकेटर्स. ओके, एंड सेकेंड वन इज सिंथेटिक indicator, that is methyl orange and phenyl naphthalene. ठीक है, so I will show that how we are using this. And first of all we will see that our litmus paper, blue litmus paper, red litmus paper. हम जब red litmus paper लेंगे and one solution inside we will put, we don't know about that is unknown solution. If you put or will dip that red litmus paper, if it is acid, then the color won't change. That means the red litmus paper, there is no change of its color when you will put in acid or salt. Salt में और acid में red litmus का पेपर का कलर चेंज नहीं होगा. If it is base, then it will change into blue. याद रखो बेटे, red litmus changes into blue when you will put in base. ठीक है, and blue litmus when we put in acid, then that color will change in acid and there is no reaction between the pair base and salt. Did you understand? Let us now will start how the reaction and what are the materials and what are the substances I have brought. I will show that, and you have to identify which substances are belongs to which acid or which belongs to acid or base or salt. Then after we will check about that using detector, means indicator, by litmus paper and phenyl naphthalene. ठीक है, phenyl naphthalene whenever we will put that. Now look at the students here. I have shown that different substances and you have to find out that what are that which substances are belong to acid, which substances are belong to base and which substances are generally salt. Okay. So first of all see that students, here I have written that this is sugar and I will show to you. And second one students, you have seen that this is the very fond of things, that is the tomato sauce, and this is vinegar, and this is closure toothpaste. And look at here, I have shown that it is a chalk piece, and this is lemon, and this is salt, and this is orange, and this is one bathroom soap. Okay students, now you have to detect and you have to make that category which substance are acid or base or salt. Okay, now let's students, what I told you, by their taste we can find out that if it is sour taste, then it is acid. So among these we have to find out that which one is sour taste. Okay students, so first of all, the sugar, it is not a sour taste, so keep that side just first of all. Now first of all, you see that students, here this is our tomato sauce. Do you know that students, tomato sauce is made up from the tomato, and it is citrus, and sorry, observe that acid also is present. You have seen that other ingredient also, some other acid also is present in the tomato sauce. You can see by that whenever you will purchase, and you can, whatever the ingredients list it is there, you can see and read what is that chemical, means which acid is extra other acid is there, तुम देख सकते हो. ठीक है, this is specially what is the tomato, it is derived from the tomato. Okay, manufactured from the tomato, so इसलिए it is also एक क्या है, ये acid है. ठीक है students, you know that vinegar means it is chemical name is students acetic acid. Okay, this is also one of the acid, so we can keep it here. So this is toothpaste students, so this is generally base, and it is taste is not sour type taste, so we can keep middle. And you know that students, this is chalk, this is generally made by that calcium carbonate, so इसलिए it is chloride salt type things, so we can keep this right side, left side. Okay, and generally this is what is the salt, we can keep here, salt is this side, and this is orange sour taste, so we can keep it here now. Okay, so lemon we can keep here. Yes, now tomato sauce, vinegar, orange, lemon, so this is the sour taste students, so these are called as a acid. Okay students, you can see that closure and soap. Okay, this closure and soap, we can see that students, these are generally base. And what is that, this is salt, and this is chalk piece. These are the generally calcium carbonate, this is also made of, and this is sodium chloride, and these are the generally salt. And what is that sugar actually generally will not add that, but it is neutral substances, and we can add with this salt types. Okay, but not in salt, where higher class will go, it is not included, but generally it is a neutral substance, not in acid, not in base, but not in salty taste. Okay, so we can keep a side. Especially our topic is acid, base and salt. Okay students, now you can understand students what are that, but by taste of this we can understand. By the taste हमें understand कर सकते ये क्या है, ये acid है. By using this also sodium hydroxide और potassium hydroxide सोप होता है, वो भी base है, और ये क्या है, salt है. Students, now we will see that by using taste of litmus paper, by indicator with it we can understand. So now I will show that some different solutions students. Now look at here students, first of all I will keep that here, three solution, same type of solutions I will throw, this I will keep as a side. Look at here students. Now by this, how can we find out that by test by using that what litmus paper. ठीक है students. Now I will pour some water this glass. Students, now I poured some water or that some solutions, मतलब chemical solution I poured this in this 3 glasses. Okay, unknown solution. But students, we don't know what is that solutions. But how can we detect? This is a detective mode of science. So first of all, we can. This is physically we are taking and we know that always we are taking. So we can say this is orange sour taste. इसलिए वो हम बोल सकते हैं ये एसिड है. ठीक है। लेकिन ये जो सब्सटेंस है हमको अननोन है, हमको पता नहीं, हमें एसिड बोलकर हम टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते, तो इसीलिए हम कैसे टेस्ट करेंगे ना, बाय यूजिंग लिटमस पेपर। पता है स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज लिटमस पेपर, ठीक है। मैं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल पुट दैट ब्लू लिटमस पेपर एंड आई विल कीप इन दैट फ्रंट, ठीक है। ये ब्लू कलर लिटमस पेपर आप देख सकते हैं, ठीक है। आई विल पुट दिस सॉल्यूशन फर्स्ट। नाउ ऑब्जर्व द स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज दैट कलर इट इज हैपनिंग, ठीक है। इट इज देयर इज नो चेंज ऑफ द कलर। नाउ आई पुट हियर another one blue litmus paper, I will put here this solution inside it, and see that students there is same color, no change. One more blue litmus paper I will take the students, I will put it in this side. Now look at the students, it is color changed, ठीक है। which color changed? It is red became, ठीक है। now we will take that red litmus paper, now put that here, there is no change, that means blue litmus paper I put, there is no change, red litmus paper change, there is no change, ठीक है। now I will put this inside, so look at students, now little blue becoming, now observe that here this side it already came that blue already over, you can understand that. One more I will put that students, I will put here the students. Now look at here, it is lightly blue already came the students, you can see or you can observe that here this is blue came, and now I will put another one red litmus paper in this side. Now there is no change, okay students. Now I hope you have understood about that experiment, what is that. Now change that, see I put that this blue litmus paper, there is no change, okay. Blue litmus inside, this there is no change, red litmus inside also there is no change. So what is this? If there is no reaction with putting that blue litmus or red litmus, that means it is a salt, ठीक है students. now I put that blue litmus, yes, first of all I put that blue litmus paper, so blue litmus paper there is only blue, there is no change. Blue litmus, if there is no change, then it is base, okay. And blue litmus paper, you see these both are red, that means whenever we are putting this inside it, that means both are red, that means whenever it will become, when litmus paper we are putting in the solution and it is becoming red color, changing the red, then compulsory it is acid. Did you understand? These both are become blue. Now observe that this is blue came, so this is blue came, matlab it is base, matlab there is, if blue will put there is no change, if red will put then it will change to blue, that matlab this both color will change, blue only will be as usual, but this color will change to red, and this one no change, blue litmus paper will put insert, then it will be, what is that, blue, red litmus means it is red, ठीक students. Now students you know that very well, this is chemically मतलब synthetic indicator, ठीक है। ये जो synthetic indicators, what is that, whenever we will put in acid there is no change, याद रखो बेटे। जब हम सिंथेटिक इंडिकेटर को हमें एसिड के साथ हम डालेंगे, मतलब हमको पता नहीं, अभी पता हो गया हमें, लेकिन हम फिनाइल पे हम डालेंगे, फिनाइल नैप्थेलीन पे हम डालेंगे, क्या हो गया ना, इसको डालेंगे तो कलर चेंज नहीं होगा, लेकिन बेस में डालेंगे तो कंपलसरी कलर चेंज हो जाएगा पिंक, इधर डालेंगे तो मतलब सॉल्ट में डालेंगे तो कुछ भी चेंज नहीं होगा। देखेंगे हमें अभी हम कंफर्म हो गया ये एसिड है और ये बेस है और ये सॉल्ट है। मैं इधर लिया था हमारा जो विनेगर वो एसिडिक एसिड लिया था, इधर क्या लिया था वो सुन्नम लाइक जो लाइम लिया था हमें, और इधर जो लिया था क्या सॉल्ट लिया था, सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन, ठीक है। अभी देखिए बेटा, अभी देखिए मैं इधर डाल रहा हूँ कुछ फिनाइल नैप्थेलीन, ये कुछ भी चेंज नहीं हो रही, ठीक है। इधर डालिए, देखिए ये कलर आपको पता हो जाएगा ये कलर क्या हो रही है, ये कलर चेंज नहीं हुआ, ये पिंक कलर हो गया, इधर डालेंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा। देखा क्या बेटे, इधर देखिए ये मैं थोड़ा और डाल देंगे आपको पता कर देंगे, ये आप चेक कर देते, ये जब फिनाइल नैप्थेलीन डालेंगे एसिड में ये कलर चेंज नहीं होगा, मतलब जैसा कलर ऐसा है, नो रिएक्शन, लेकिन बेस में डालेंगे तो पिंक कलर हो जाएगा। अभी देखिए यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट पिंक कलर ऑलरेडी हो गया, ठीक है, तुम देख सकते हो अभी पिंक कलर हो गया। अभी इसको डालेंगे तो क्या हो रहा है, मतलब ये चेंज नहीं हो रही। डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? I hope you have understand about that what is that acid, base and a salt. Okay. So now find out our detective board. What is that it is showing. Okay students, so I hope you have understanding about that what is the difference of about acid, base and salt, and how to detect the substances whether it is belong to acid or base or salt. Okay friends, I hope you can also enjoy with your home, in your home, and by using that natural indicators like turmeric, and you can detect whether soap, you can take that on soap solution, and some other like vinegar and salt solution, and soap solution with you should add, what will happen, how that pink brown, that means it is changing, and if you put in that vinegar, there is no change, and solution inside no change. If you turmeric you will put. Okay, you see and enjoy, and whatever that feedback you should inform to me. Thank you all of you.